Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. So I want to give a Tesla Model Y order update. I'm just in my Chevy Silverado here, just running some errands. I want to compare my Tesla Model Y order experience to this. I just picked up this truck. I got this truck like 8 days ago. It's a 2022 Chevy Silverado 3500 HD. It really is the exact opposite of a Tesla Model Y, because this thing's, 8,200 pounds. Can tow 21,000 pounds. It's just a big diesel truck, and it's awesome. It has its purpose, obviously. It's not my daily driver, but I have a Tesla Model S that I drive on a regular basis. But what I wanted to just talk about today, I got another update on my Tesla Model Y order, and I want to just kind of give you guys the update, because I appreciate everyone's concern. I appreciate everyone kind of leaving down in the comments below of these Model Y videos of your experience, because we're all kind of in the same boat. We're all just kind of getting dates all over the place, and it's frustrating. So kind of just from where I was last time I was the 29th of April to the 13th of May. That was my last delivery date. Well, today's April 30th, and it really seems like at the first of those dates, like when you get into like the first day or two of that initial delivery window of where it's expecting, that it usually you'll get a VIN number or you're gonna get delayed. Mine's been delayed again, and I'll put up on the screen here. This is my date window. Looks like it's the 13th, May 12th or 13th to the 26th of May. So I'm pushed out another 2 weeks. And I emailed this morning. Today's a Saturday too, so I actually emailed Tesla. I have a service person, or I have like an advisor, I guess. When I called into the customer service, they're like, yeah, contact your advisor and see what they say. So there's a person assigned to your account, but when I email her, other people respond, which I'm actually kind of glad, because it's like whoever's working or whoever's available responds to your question. So it's not like that person's specifically dedicated to your account, which is good. So if she's off for the weekend or on vacation, my emails still get answered. So usually it's someone different every time answering my email, but I do CC her on all of the emails that I send, so that she kind of stays in the loop. But this is the email response that I got from this morning. So I emailed them like, why did my date change? You guys said it was, because I called them this week. I'm like, hey, am I going to get the car within this window? Like, what's going on? Why do my dates keep changing? Why do you guys keep messing around with me? Why can't you guys just deliver the car as... Yeah, I ordered it's been 8 months. Guys, it's been exactly 8 months. 8 months to the day I ordered this car. It was originally expected to be delivered in January. That's when the original date was when I ordered it. So I was expecting it, probably between December and February, sometime in that window. And I don't have it. Tomorrow's May, and we're going to be into May, and it's I'm not going to have the car. So couple week delay is kind of what we're looking at here. But I emailed Tesla this morning, said, hey, why did I get delayed? And this is the response. And I am happy to report that they have given a pretty good response. I mean, they've been like, I emailed, and a half hour later I got a response. This is on a Saturday, so I am happy that they're responsive to these emails. And when I've called in, the customer service people are all very nice. They're all very friendly. They're all like, I can tell they're from the United States. They're not like a call center somewhere internationally. So I do appreciate that they have pretty good response when you call in or inquiry, either email or phone. But they don't have much information to give. It's almost like they have no more information than what the app says or the website says. When it says the delivery, they're like, yeah, that's the delivery date. Sorry. I'm like, okay. Thanks. I mean, I've even told my person, I'm like, hey, can you make a notation on my account saying I really want the car. Can you like expedite it or do something? And they're like, well, we can put you down, and if there's a similar build that gets canceled or something, we can put your name on that. And I'm like, okay, that's fine. I mean, let's just see what else pops up. I also emailed them this week, and I said, hey, can you change my account to, I was going to get third-party financing. That's still how I'm going to pay for the car. I'm going to finance it through my credit union. But I heard someone in the comments below, and I appreciate you guys sharing this information, but someone from the comments, one of our subscribers of the channel, said that they had indicated they wanted the Tesla financing, and they changed it from Tesla financing to cash pay, and somehow that like triggered it, and they got their VIN almost right after they did that. Because when you're doing the Tesla financing, you have to renew your application or credit report every 60 days with them. And so I did that too. I emailed in, I said, hey, change my account from financing to cash. And they even said if you want to change that when you get your VIN number, that's doable as well. So I'm like, yeah, let's change it to cash pay from financing, and let's see how it goes. And they're like, okay, we'll do that. So I changed that, and I was hoping that like my dates didn't change. It was yesterday was the 29th. That was the beginning of my window, and it didn't change. And I'm like, oh wow, this is cool. This is gonna I'm gonna get a VIN number here soon. And then this morning, today's the 30th of April, and it's changed on me. It's pushed out a couple weeks into May. So middle of May to end of May is my expected delivery date. So I guess we'll see, guys. I mean, that's kind of the update. I wish I had good news. I wish I had a VIN number that I could share with you guys and give you some hope. But I have seen from the comments also that people have been getting their VIN numbers, and from around the time I ordered, the end of August in 2021. So it seems like people from August to September, October have been getting their VIN numbers, and so I feel kind of left out actually. But I guess I'm just gonna wait. I do want to say this though. I'm not as stressed out since I just picked this truck up a week ago. We now have 3 vehicles in my garage. I have this truck. I've got my 2015 Tesla Model S, which I love that car. I'm not going to get rid of that. It has free supercharging for life, and I got it for a good deal. I bought it used, and I really love that car. And then my wife, we picked up for her last month, probably 5-6 weeks ago. She has a 2022 GMC Yukon XL that she loves, and we actually love that vehicle because it just has tons of room. It's the diesel. It's got great mileage. So when this Tesla Model Y comes, I don't even know what we're going to do with it. Honestly, that'll be 4 cars in my garage for 2 drivers, my wife and I. And I'm not sure what we're going to do with it. I asked my wife yesterday, I'm like, what are we going to do if this Tesla Model Y comes in like soon? She's like, we'll just cross that bridge when we get there, because who knows if it will, when and if it will. So that's kind of my thought too. My best suggestion or word of warning or piece of advice for someone who has a Tesla order: do not sell your current vehicle. Don't get rid of your current vehicle until you have your new Tesla in hand and it's sitting in your garage. Because I prematurely sold my Tesla Model X. My wife drove a Tesla Model X, a 90D. This has been on the channel before, and I'll leave a link to the videos for that car, which we loved. And the only reason we sold it is because I was thinking we were getting our Model Y, and I had December delivery dates, and I was like, okay, I'm getting this Y. I want to get rid of this X, and so I got rid of it. And well, I shouldn't have actually. I shouldn't have gotten rid of it, because now because it kind of put us from January, February, March. It kind of put us like 3 months where we only had 2 cars, and my wife was like driving my truck, and I was driving the Tesla Model S, and so it was kind of a time where we're kind of left without a vehicle, or where she had a vehicle that for a couple months, and so kind of puts you in a tight spot. Sorry, I'm a little distracted. I'm in the Home Depot parking lot, and it's like the busiest day of the year, or something's going on. It's super busy here. Anyways, don't sell your car until you get your new Tesla in hand. I mean, that's the best piece of advice. So I'm not going to decide what to do with the current vehicles that we have until we actually have that in hand and kind of evaluate it from there. So anyways, guys, that's the update. Probably if anything changes in the next couple of weeks, if I get any communication, if I get a VIN number or anything changes, I'll update the video. I'll make a new video of an update. So guys, thanks for watching. Hit that thumbs up button. Share down below your situation, because I think it's helpful for all of us to see what all of us are going through with our Tesla orders. So thanks, guys. Hit that thumbs up, subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video. Thanks.